Now, St. Mary High retained their title and secured a sixth straight hold on the Eastern Athletics crown as the championships ended today at the National Stadium. As we continue our champs build-up this evening, Eastern Champs, which is the last regional qualifying meet, served up 2 records on the day.
St. Mary High went into the meet cautiously optimistic about retaining their title after a less-than-ideal preparation for the meet. But the outstanding Sean Walters tore up that script early into the meet as she broke the Class 1 girls' 1500-meter record, clocking 4 minutes 45.82 seconds to set the tone for a dominant St. Mary High team performance. She also won the 800 meters on the day in 2 minutes 21.41 seconds. Walters was one of 2 record breakers on the day as the Glengoff's Alexia Austin broke her own record in winning the Class 2 girls 100-meter hurdles. Running into a minus 3.6 meters per second wind, she set a new mark of 14.25 seconds. Most of the 100 and 200-meter events were impacted by very windy conditions. Dana Thompson clocked 12.39 to win the Class 1 girls 100 meters, while Dejon Strawn of Titchfield High was the fastest boy on the day, clocking 11.15 to take the Class 1 equivalent. Strawn also won the 200 meters in 22.53. In the end, St. Mary High took both the boys and girls sections to amass a combined total of 762 points to defend their title. Titchfield High with 519 points, Port Antonio 393, St. Thomas Technical 274, and Happy Grove with 142 points rounded out the top 5 spots. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.